Well, greetings, Moody Bible Institute, BI 2260, Historical Geography of Ancient Israel students. My name is Dr. Greg Stevens, and I'm facilitating your course in Historical Geography of Ancient Israel this term. My contact information is in the Your Instructor section of the course shell, and I also have my personal profile in the class introduction forum in the community post section of the course shell. So please introduce yourself there by posting your profile, and let's get to know one another. And now let me officially welcome you to BI 2260-02, Historical Geography of Ancient Israel. I'm not going to read down through the entire written announcement here. You do need to read these each week as they're posted, and any other time announcements might show up. But do be sure each time you log into the course to take time to look over any new announcements and maybe even review previous announcements if you need to. As you can see, I've given you an overview taken from the course shell of your first week's work, but do access that week one link to be sure you're getting all the work covered. This week we want you to gain a familiarity with the key geographical characteristics of the land of Israel utilizing Google Earth software program. All the information is there for you. So you want to watch the instructor introductory video, you want to read Lesson 1 class notes, you want to read the Moody Atlas pages that are listed here, you want to watch the online class example, and you want to review Jeremiah 2, the PDF that's there for you. Discussion board question. Here you are studying geography for a Bible degree. Is historical geography really necessary? Why or why not? We want you to spend an hour or so experimenting with Google Earth, and we want you to provide a reflection assignment for Lesson 1. Now, each week's folder does give you an introduction, lesson objectives, reading, viewing report, assignments, discussion for the week, resources, or other needed relevant extra information. My counsel to you is to look around the course shell and read over the course syllabus and course schedule. Get acquainted with all three items as thoroughly as you are able. Do not, however, obviously access any quizzes or exams, except until you're ready to take them. And finally, constantly compare the course schedule and course shell information to be sure you're completing all the assigned work. And do pay attention, as I've said, to any new announcements that pop up. A couple of points of clarification for you. The academic week for MDL runs from 12:01 a.m. Tuesday morning through 11:59 p.m. the following Monday night. And these, of course, are all Central Time because Moody is located in Chicago, Illinois, in the Central Time Zone. This gives you the full weekend in each week to work on your papers, quizzes, and exams. But don't wait till the weekend to do your work. I'd get started right away, and then through the course of the week, be working on your assignments so you have it all done, and you can look things over before you finally post them. When it comes to discussion boards, it is best to post early in the academic week so that others have time to respond to you. So be sure that your initial discussion post is done no later than 11:59 p.m. Central Time on Friday, so that others in you can reply and comment on each other's posts by 11:59 p.m. Central Time the following Monday. So again, you post your initial response to the discussion board question by midnight Friday, and then you reply to peers no later than the following Monday at midnight. There are not discussion groups per se in this course, so you are good to go. This week's discussion board topic, as I said, appears above. And finally, the late policy. Yes, there's a late policy. I know you're never going to need it, but let me just mention it. Late work submitted is penalized 5% per day up to a limit of 7 days, or up to a limit of a 35% penalty. Any work posted later than 7 days late will not be accepted for credit. So do plan accordingly. If you need to have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me at gstevens@moody.edu. And again, welcome to Historical Geography of Israel. By the way, I just spent last August through November, in Israel. And while I was there, I was even teaching a section of this course. I was also there in fall 14. So I'm pumped for this course. I'm very familiar with the land. I've driven around most of Israel on my own, and just very excited to be teaching this course and to be walking you through it. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Do read over this and all other announcements carefully and completely. Again, read the course syllabus, look it over, look over the course schedule, and look around the course shell. If it was me, I would download everything I can now, get it organized on my computer this week, and be ready to roll. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. All my contact information is there for your convenience. God bless.